My name is Anna, and I'm 35 years old. I'm a housewife with 3 beautiful kids, Jack, Lily, and Anna. My husband, Tom, is a teacher, and we're just one big happy family. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock, usually to the sound of my alarm. I feel a bit sleepy at first, but I'm always excited to start the day. I get out of bed, stretch a little, and head straight to the bathroom. A splash of cold water on my face helps wake me up. Then I brush my teeth, glance at myself in the mirror, and comb my hair. Once I'm ready, I go straight to the kitchen because I'm starving and need to make breakfast for everyone. I usually fry up some eggs, pop the bread in the toaster, and make Tom a fresh pot of coffee by 6:30 a.m. around this time. The kids wake up, so I call them down for breakfast. Anna, who's 10, Jack, who's 8, and little Lily, who's 5, are usually pretty hungry by then. After breakfast, the kitchen is a mess, so I clean up. We all sit at the table together, talking about what's coming up in the day, and then I wash the dishes using soap and hot water. By 7:15 a.m., I'm checking the time and making sure the kids are ready for school. Anna picks out her favorite blue dress, Lily chooses a cute pink t-shirt, and Jack wears his red one. They all look so sweet, and it makes my heart happy. We leave the house by 7:45 a.m. Tom takes Anna and Jack to school, while I walk Lily to preschool. She holds my hand the whole way, chatting away, and we make plans for our day. After I drop her off, I head home, and the house is quiet. It's my time to clean. First, I dust the living room, then vacuum the floors, clean the windows, and make everything look nice and neat by 10 o'clock a.m. At 11 o'clock a.m., I head out to do the grocery shopping. I always make a list: bread, fruits, veggies, milk, snacks for the kids, and I love picking out fresh food for the family. By 12 o'clock p.m., I'm back home, putting the groceries away and checking my list to make sure I didn't forget anything. After that, I take a little time to relax and read a novel while sitting on the couch. Around 12:30 p.m., I start making lunch. Today, it's pasta with tomato sauce and some veggies on the side. The kids usually come home from school just in time, and we all sit down together. Anna talks about her art class, Jack shares his math lesson, and Lily tells me about her favorite game at preschool. After lunch, I wash the dishes again, drying them, and putting everything back in place. I love how nice and clean the kitchen looks when I'm done. By 2 o'clock p.m., it's time for Lily to nap. I tell her a story, and she falls asleep quickly. I have a bit of quiet time, so I check my email and respond to messages. It's nice to have a moment to myself. At 4:30 p.m., I wake up Lily and we play in the living room. We color pictures and build with blocks until Tom gets home. When he walks in, he greets us with a big smile, and we all have a snack together: cookies and milk. Afterward, I help Anna and Jack with their homework. I sit with them, explain things when needed, and I'm always so proud of how hard they work. By 6 o'clock p.m., I start making dinner. Tonight, it's chicken with rice and veggies. The kitchen smells so good. By 6:30 p.m., dinner is ready, and we sit down together to eat. We talk about our day, share funny stories, and just enjoy being together. After dinner, we clean up the table as a family. It's nice to work together. By 8 o'clock p.m., It's time to get the kids ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth, then read a bedtime story to Lily. She's always asking for fairy tales. Anna and Jack read their own books in their rooms, and by 9 p.m., I check on them. They're all tucked in and ready for sleep, so I kiss them good night. Once the kids are settled, I spend some time with Tom. We watch a show or talk about our day. By 10:30 p.m., I'm ready for bed. I feel tired, but happy. This is my routine, my everyday life. It's busy, yes, but it's also full of love, and I wouldn't change it for anything.